Hey everyone, it's Patrick with Pickup Truck Plus SUV Talk, and this Jeep Grand Cherokee is what the SRT team calls their rolling laboratory. Under the hood of this vehicle is a 3-liter Hurricane high output, but it's been souped up to add an extra 90 horsepower, and it's equipped with the new eBoost air system, which is supposed to eliminate turbo lag. Let's take a look at how this vehicle launches from the outside and the inside, as well as getting a look at the unique vehicle under the hood. This Jeep is powered by the 3-liter Hurricane twin-turbo high-output engine. The difference is this engine features the new eBoost air system. This is an electric motor that provides boost to the turbos when there isn't boost due to a lack of engine RPM. So when you stomp it from a launch, most turbos have to spool up. This one was already ready to go with full power the second you hit the throttle. In addition to adding the eBoost air system, this particular Grand Cherokee Hurricane engine has been boosted by about 90 horsepower. So based on the Charger horsepower, it's around 640 horsepower, but they haven't actually said that number. And again, this is a standard Charger engine that's been tuned, had some air restriction removed from the exhaust, and fitted with the eBoost air system. This graphic over here shows how the eBoost air system works. On the left, you can see the path in red of the normal airflow through the airbox, and on the right, you can see how the air is diverted through the motor on the right and then into the turbos. Again, the advantage of this system isn't to add power, but to remove turbo lag. And turbo lag is what happens when you have huge turbos. So most automakers run small turbochargers to eliminate lag, but that also restricts your power output. With monster turbos comes monster power, and with the eBoost air system, SRT should be able to do that without having turbo lag. Here's the Jeep Grand Cherokee powered by the eBoost Air Hurricane on a hard launch.